Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Rivo product filters app, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Rivo product filters app, start by accessing your device. Open the app drawer on your Android phone or tablet. Locate the Rivo product filters app icon among your installed applications. Once you find it, press and hold the app icon. A menu will appear on your screen. Select the option that says Uninstall or tap on the I for App Info. If you chose App Info, look for the Uninstall button at the top of the screen. Tap the Uninstall button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to uninstall the app. Confirm your choice by selecting OK or Yes. The Rivo product filters app will now be removed from your device. For iOS users, start by locating the Rivo product filters app on your home screen. Press and hold the app icon until it begins to wiggle. You will see a small X appear in the corner of the app icon. Tap the X to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you want to delete the app. Confirm the deletion by selecting Delete. The app will be uninstalled from your device. After uninstalling, check if there are any residual files or settings left behind. If any remain, consider clearing them through your device's settings. You have successfully uninstalled the Rivo product filters app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.